Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to share with you a project that I create for my craft fairs. So let's get started. So what I have today are these hunky-dory luxury topper sets. Hunky-dory is a company in the UK, and they make these beautiful foiled toppers and cards. Now here we have these Christmas geese. Look at them out there in the winter. No, winter gathering it's called, but I call it Christmas geese. Every pack has, first of all, a sample card, or this actually has 2 sample cards, what you can do with the product. It has 3 pieces in here. There are 3 sheets. There is this one sheet of die cuts and then 2 background sheets, and with this beautiful foiling it looks so luxury. Now I'm going to show you what to do with these sheets, and I picked for you the festive harbor. So again, here is the packaging. It gives you an idea what you can make with this. It says makes at least 2 cards. But there is a lot of material, so you can do much more. And I'll show you what I have created with this set. So first of all, here is your die cut sheet, and it has several different embellishments, large ones, shorter ones. It has sentiments, it has border treatments, and all in this beautiful foiled cardstock. Then here is one piece of background paper. This is cardstock with beautiful foiling on it. And then here is the second piece of cardstock that has this great image of this boat on the icy river. And in the background you have the Christmas lights in town, in the harbor, and even a church. So what do you do with this? So the first thing I have done is I used this biggest embellishment and made a card. And here is my card. Now this is this card measures 6.5 by 5. So this is this cardstock that you can buy at Michael's. Cards, they're already coming with envelopes, and they have the score line. So here I used some of the background paper from this cardstock. You can see how it peeks through here. I added my card layer with foam pads, a sentiment, and that's all I had to do. And isn't it stunning? Because it has all the foiling. There is really nothing else you need to add to make this card beautiful. So it says Merry Christmas. It's all layered, and look how gorgeous this card is. Now the next thing I have done, I had this piece left over. Now what do you do with it? So of course you can make a card, but I am not much of flat cards, so I like cards to have some dimension. Now what you could do is, of course, you could frame this piece. This would make a beautiful framed picture as well. But I have cut into it, as you have seen. Part of this cardstock is on this card, and then this part I cut to size and added it to a red just blank gift bag that I also buy at Michael's. And see how beautiful it looks like. And Michael's has these gift bags in several colors. White, of course, would make a good gift bag too. But I like the red here because it peeks through, and of course that way it just frames my picture. And then I also added a tag that came with the die cut sheet, and the tag tells you, especially for you this Christmas time, and just added a little bit of silvery string, and now I have a bag and a matching card. What I have left is this piece of cardstock, and I made a gatefold card with the round embellishment. And look how stunning this one is. It's a beautiful boat again. I only adhered it to half of the gate. So this part is not gluey, so be careful when you glue it. Yeah, I just cut this piece to shape and then folded it so it became a gatefold card. And then when you open it, I added one more sentiment here that also came off the die cut sheet. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, and when you open it, the only other thing I did is added a little bit of liner paper just to finish it off. And whenever I use liner paper inside of my cards, I only adhere it at one point, so only here at the top, and let it flow freely. So this is my gatefold card, and the only other thing I have added are 3 silvery snowflake stickers and a little bit of silvery string. And I just love this card. Came out so beautifully, and this will fit a 6x6 envelope. And then of course I still had plenty left. I never used the border treatment, but from the paper I had left I also cut a bookmark. I have this punch that makes these bookmarks, and it has this foiling on here. So you can make a lot of embellishments from your extra paper, but look what you can do with just one card pack. And I'm going to share with you next how I package them. So, and here's how I package my gift packs. I have a greeting card, an envelope, and of course the gift bag. For these two I use the Wild Christmas card topper set by Hunky Dory, and this particular one has these 2 cute embellishments. First of all, here is our sloth, and just look at this. It's beginning to look a sloth like Christmas. Isn't that absolutely adorable? And I layered him on my card, and then I just added some of my glitter border stickers, and of course the envelope. This is my first greeting card. The second one has the beautiful llama, Have a Wild Christmas, and again just a little glitter border, and I layer with foam pads. And then when I turn it around, you have the gift bag, and here I use the background cardstock, of course matching my front. I have the gift bag. I have a little tag here from the same die cut sheet, and another sentiment, Eat, Sleep, and Be Merry. And I sell these gift bag and greeting cards for $6.50 at my craft fair. I always have some sales though. Buy I don't know, 5 get 1 free, so I consider that when I do my pricing. But these are hot sellers. These gift bags and gift cards go very quickly. Now the next one is of course the gift bag with my llama on there and this beautiful foiling. The gift bags itself again comes from Michael's, and I package them in these clear cellophane bags that have an adhesive side so that you can close up your bag. And these come from the Clear Bags website. There's a little tag too that goes with this, and I'm gonna link it below in case you want to copy this for your craft fair. It is very classy looking when it comes in these bags, and they even have hanging holes here, so if you want to hang them they will work as well. So I always create a whole bunch, and that's a great money maker for me at the craft fair. So I like to share with you just a couple more of my sheets and gift bags that I have created. Okay, so we have this cute one, Delightful Deer, and this is from the Magic of Christmas line with this cute little deer Again, you have the card sample, all kinds of embellishments, always a border treatment, and then of course the beautiful background papers, or cardstock I should say. Here, Together at Christmas, it has these cute foxes cuddling up, and look at this beautiful cardstock. We also have snowmen, Snow Much Love, and these are smaller embellishments, so you can make more than one card, but you always have these two big cardstock pieces that you can use for your gift bags. And then the last one for today I like to show you is the Festive Fox. And you have this really big embellishment here. This comes in frames that you can use. And then of course the background paper. And here is my gift bag and card set that I have created. So first of all, the card, enjoy the festive season. There's the cute little fox with a cute little mouse there, all bundled up for winter. I used some of the background paper. It already comes foiled, so there's not much else you have to do. A little bit of my go-to border treatment, and then here is the bag where I have added this beautiful cardstock. I hope you liked my gift bags and card sets. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, and a comment is always appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. More Christmas videos will be follow. And also join us on Facebook at the European Papercrafts Facebook Friends. You will see all my cards that I create, but also I would like to see your projects. So you will see projects from our customers and what they create. So thank you for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.